Hello guys, so here we are, how to make, this is the part where how to make it for the happy birthday banner. I already show how to make the happy birthday banner, the whole thing. Now I'm just going to show how to make these and how to make the gold leaf flowers for the unicorn face. I already show you guys how to make the flower, and I already show you in another video how to make the horn. So please subscribe so you could just watch and learn and watch all my videos on how I make these. Also subscribe because I'm not just making unicorn theme, I'm making all birthday decoration DIY, and it will be very helpful for you guys for any birthday occasion that you guys have. So just don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. So for this, what you guys will need is the shape. I already show how to do the shape, but if you don't know, it's pretty simple. Just draw it and cut it out, and it will lead you to this. So I already show how to make the flowers in my other video. So after you make the flower, this little flower, what you will do is you would double-sided tape, and I want the pink flower in the middle because I want to do it the same way that I did this one. And you will just put it in the middle, and then let's put some glue on the purple, and let's put the purple right here, right there. And then let's do the blue one. Let's put the blue one right here. So that leaves us with this. After we're done with that, we have to turn the little banner shape, and we're gonna get the horn. This little horn, you could draw it, or if you have a silhouette, just trace it and cut it. If you guys want to learn how to do it without the thing, just let me know so I can make it for you guys. And then you glue it in the front where the glitter's at, and make sure you line them up to put it in the middle, and you just glue it right there. Now we go with the little ears. With the little ears, we'll do the same thing. We're just gonna glue it over here, and make sure when you do it, you do it like that, like sideways, not straight. So we put the sideways right there, and we do the same thing with this one, and we put it sideways. So after we do that, it will leave us with this, with a beautiful unicorn thingy. But let's not forget about the eyes. The little eyes, you could draw them also, but it's so hard. So I suggest you buy the little sticker. If you don't buy it, if you could draw it and cut it out, you could do also. But in the machine, it's pretty simple to cut it out. You can also buy stickers. They have lashes stickers. So you could do that, and it will be easier to do it. But if you like the challenge, just go for it and do the drawing and the cutting. So after that, we line them up and make sure, and then it comes out like this. After we have to open these little petals. So we open them up so it can look even more beautiful. So after we open all of them up one by one, be careful with the petal because when you do try to open it, they could break. Okay. So after we open them up, let's open the blue one because we only did the pink one and the purple. Okay. There you go. So there you have it. Look how pretty it looks. So that's how you make, that's how you make the little cute banner. I did forget to do the punch, the thing, to do the hole so you could put it in the banner. So before you put the flower, make sure you put the ears. And then after you put the ear, do the hole so you could do both together, the ears and the cardstock, the white cardstock paper. And then you just put it through there, and you punch it. And there you have it. You just put the string to it to hold it, and it will leave you with these two beautiful unicorn face. So that's that. Now I'm gonna teach you how to make the gold leaf flower. So what I did, I got a template, I cut it out. You could always, if you don't have the machine, you can always print it, and then after you print it, cut it out and trace it to whatever color you got. So what I did is I bought this gold paper in the wrapping paper in the Dollar Tree. So after I bought it, this is what I got. So I got a little piece. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this one out. So after I do that, I just go ahead and you could always draw it in the back, but I'm just gonna do it like this for you guys. I'm just gonna cut it. But it's easier when you draw it because, you know, so we continue cutting it all the way around. So it will do so with this. After we hear that we cut it, what we'll do next is split it in half. So you will split it in half and fold it in half. So after you fold it in half, what we will do is take the bottom part and fold it, and then turn the page and fold it again. Turn the page and fold it again. Page, fold it again. Fold it again, and then you're gonna keep folding until you finish into the end. So we're gonna keep folding. Let's keep doing this. This is always fun for me to do. So we're gonna keep folding, and then when we get to the end, that's it. The whole thing is folded, and look how simple it is. The petal, the gold petal is already done. You could do any colors you would like. I was trying to, I'm gonna try next time to do the pink one. And that's how you do the gold leaf flowers. Look how beautiful. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will be doing more things for you guys. So please subscribe. Thank you.